Hello everyone, this is Shrikar here. Today I'm super excited to share an app I've been working on called ParallelPens. With AI rapidly transforming content creation, standing out becomes more crucial than ever. That's exactly what ParallelPens is here for. Unlike vanilla ChatGPT or other large language model, ParallelPens lets you create content that's not just scalable but also uniquely yours, reflecting your personal tone, style, and guidelines. To show how game changing this is, let's take a look at an example of Justin Welch and how we could create content like him. So to begin with, let's look at the type of content Justin Welch posts on LinkedIn. Here are a few of them where he talks about going viral is meaningless. You can kind of like understand the theme or the structure in which he posts out the content. If you look at it, he kind of like talks about establish expertise, improve authority, build trust, and then provides a chunk or a small content for each of the bullet points. And then at the end, kind of like has a CTA for you to take some action. Similarly, he has another one for like control your career risk, how people lost jobs in 2024, and what you can do to kind of like augment that lost job is another one. The third one is essentially like a 30 for 30 exchange where he kind of like again like if you look at the pattern, it kind of like follows a similar step one, step two, step three, and then like a call to action. So step one, he provides like a headline and what to look for. Step two, again read the comments, uh, and kind of some kind of a description for that. Again step three, like a heading as well as a subheading for that, and then like the CTA at the end. So because I currently don't have a lot of content that I have created, what I did was I kind of like built a model specifically for Justin Welch. So imagine you are Justin Welch and you want to kind of like create content at scale, right? This is a one example I kind of like share right now in terms of like going why going viral is meaningless. On the left side, you can see the Parallel Pens AI writer and how the content is created versus the right, which is like a ChatGPT 4 turbo version. As you can see, right, it's kind of like clearly different in the sense that this one seems a more like Justin Welch as compared to a ChatGPT. So you might be wondering how is this different from providing some samples in the prompt and asking the ChatGPT model to follow. What I've seen is basically like retraining the model or building your own custom AI with content is much more closer to what you want as compared to just passing some examples in the chat GPT. So let's look at another one. So write a LinkedIn post about starting an online business. We can see how the content will be different. So this one again, uh, as you have seen before, what the content from Justin Welch looks like. This is similar to like what you would have imagined, like point by point explaining what you can expect, and at the end there'll probably be kind of a link or like probably even like a CTA for asking you to like comment or follow him, or any other CTAs for that matter. This is one example where you can see the difference between like the Parallel Pens AI Writer and ChatGPT 4. The same thing applies for even let's say somebody you if you want to kind of like write a LinkedIn post about networking, how to use networking for landing your next role. The theme is similar. You can kind of like generate scale content at scale using these models, custom models. So if you guys are interested in like building a custom model for yourself, do let me know. I'm happy to help with that.